Exploring adverbs of frequency, the mystery of rarely. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of adverbs, specifically adverbs of frequency. Our spotlight will shine on a rather special adverb, rarely. Let's demystify its usage and nuances. Rarely is an adverb of frequency that we use to express something that does not happen often. It's less frequent than sometimes, but it's not as absolute as never. Here's a simple example. I rarely eat junk food. This sentence tells us that the speaker doesn't often consume junk food, but they do on occasion. When it comes to placing rarely in a sentence, it can go in two main places. 1. Before the main verb. For example, I rarely watch TV. Here, rarely is positioned before the main verb, watch. 2. Between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, she has rarely missed a class. In this case, rarely is placed between the auxiliary verb, has, and the main verb, missed. Remember, rarely is not usually used at the end of the sentence in formal English. Although rarely isn't a negative word by definition, it implies a negative situation because it means almost never. So, when you use rarely, you don't need to use other negative words in the same sentence. For instance, I rarely make mistakes is correct, but I don't rarely make mistakes is not. Just to diversify your vocabulary, let's explore some synonyms for rarely. Synonyms include infrequently, seldom, and hardly ever. For example, instead of saying I rarely travel, you could say I seldom travel or I infrequently travel. And that's it. You've just unraveled the mystery of the adverb, rarely. Isn't English exciting? Remember, practice is key. So try to use rarely and its synonyms in your conversations. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Even native speakers do. We're all here to learn and grow. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.